Today we have a troublesome Milwaukee battery that doesn't want to charge even though all the cells are 3 volts. I think the reason is it haven't been charged in 2 years, so it automatically locks out. So we will try and do something else. I ordered a spare BMS from AliExpress that's supposed to be for the 12 ampere hour version, and it actually looks pretty good. Let's try and fix it. I have removed a lot of BMS before, but I never installed a new one. So let's inspect. Yeah, it seems to be very close to the original. Let's see if we could hammer this off. It's being compressed. We should have something sharper. I have one right here. Yeah, there we go. See if we can do the same for this one. It's deforming, so I think I need to pull that off. Yeah, there we go. And the rest are shoulders. So let's start soldering and remove the 2 screws. Let's check the bottom side. We need to clean off those tips. It has some kind of weird lamination. I think I will ask my staff for spot welding. Now this is really thick. Can't find my micrometer. It feels like 0.5. Well, this one is a lot thinner, but this is also part of the shunt. Let's just see if it fits first. That one is a bit off center. There we go. True, true, true. Everyone is true, and it's actually a perfect fit. Let's do the screws. So I think that's it. I will ask my staff to try and spot weld it, just so we know if it's possible. Otherwise I will solder it. But if you solder it, there will be some plastic fumes from the illumination. So my staff said it's not possible to weld. So let's go ahead and solder this. Need solder on both sides. Let's turn on a fan. Yeah, that looks pretty solid. Let's do a lot of solder. Let's just have some extra on the side. Let's reheat, distribute. Yeah, that looks good. But a lot of solder takes a long time to cool down. Better than factory. So let's see if it works on a charger now. Let's hope that it fits like a glove. It's charging, no error. Indicator, it's working. It's not as bright as the original Milwaukee. I think they might be further away, but it still works. That's pretty awesome. If it's straight up, it's pretty good. If it's from the side, it's a little bit weaker. I think they have some kind of cubes over there to distribute the light better. Otherwise than that, I'm pretty happy that it works. We do not have any power tools to test it with. But we will of course tell the customer we replaced it with another BMS so that they can try it out properly.